Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can return items from that you have bought through Klarna. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have the online customer service instruction open. So let's quickly go over it. First and foremost, what you will need to do is you will need to manually return it to your store, which you have bought it from. And then what you want to do once you actually do that, you want to go into your app or on the website, go into orders. Once you're in orders, you want to select the purchase or the items that you wish to return, and then tap on report return. This is mainly used since you've manually given back the items, or some courier has picked them up and is returning them for you, depending on the store's return policy. But yeah. What you will need to do is manually report a return, since Klarna does not register the return that has happened, since it didn't happen through the app. So you need to do that so that they can keep track of what was returned and what wasn't. Now, a few important pieces of information. Save the tracking information that you input, since you do need to enter the information once you're asking for a return. For the date of the return. But yeah, you'll need to enter all the details, because if after 21 days your return is not registered correctly or at all, you can always ask Klarna for help, and they will provide you support if you input the correct information. Always make sure to keep copies of correspondence so that you don't get scammed, or just in general run into somebody who doesn't know how to do their job. But yeah, if you have ordered goods online, you will need to keep the proof of the return until you register your return, and you will also need to always keep your software up to date so that you can use any functionalities that are important for this. But yeah, that's been pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.